Welcome everybody back to the channel. This is a late night review. Tonight I have the Hostess chocolate cake Twinkies. This is a new recipe. The kid up front here, gonna kind of take that glare away. Alright, there we go. So there's the chocolate cake Twinkies. And I've already gotten into this box. So it's gonna be like a little bit of an after the fact video, which is not a bad thing in itself. It's just a little bit better perspective if you ask me. So here's the nutritional facts, everyone. You got the Hostess quality commitment, the brand LLC. There are the ingredients, everyone. And you can try their other products as well. Oh, well, not other products. This time it says, we make mornings delicious. They look like a blueberry donut, it appears to be, but they have a Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram as well. So let's get some of these out of here. I know I already ate some. I'm just going to have one during the video here that we will use as our jump off to review. There's 3 left in that box. Alright, man. I really got into them, didn't I? Let's pause this a second while I tear some open and we'll continue on. Alright, so here it is out the package, y'all. And I got I know my camera's jumping everybody, I apologize. I got a little bit of a storage issue on my phone. I'm going to fix it here before I next upload, but just bear with me, please. I apologize for the jumping, and if you dislike it, I'll understand why. So anyways, it's much like the Twinkie format. Its original counterpart, I should say. It's kind of greasy in appearance, to be honest. And the bottom looks just shiny. It's not a greasy, it's just a kind of shiny, but the side here though, that is a greasy appearance. So let's go ahead and break it in half. Well, we'll try anyway. There's the cream filling up inside it. And I could tell you from my own experience, these are pretty good. I think the flavor blend is just right on these. And so let's go ahead and shove this in the pie hole so I can reaffirm that. Yep, just like I said, y'all. It's actually a perfect blend. This product was $2.99 at the local Hy-Vee grocery store in Forest City, Iowa. It's a 13.58 ounce package. Fresh till date is August 4th of 2021. It's a chocolate sponge cake with creamy filling. I feel this product was well worth the money. Would I buy it again? Oh, most definitely. I've been wanting to buy this for a while. I kind of thought maybe we reviewed it, so I checked our back videos and there was none in there that I didn't see any unless I missed it. So, on a 1 to 5 scale, with 1 being don't waste your money, and I'm pretty sure y'all know what I'm going to give this, and 5 being all that and a bag of chips or whatever, I'm going to hit this one off at a solid 5, because I really can't see anything bad about it. I mean, I pointed out some of the characteristics of it. It doesn't necessarily make it bad in my viewpoint. It may to some, however, not to me. It's a darn good product. I like it. I realize it's a new product because I've done research on YouTube, and I do believe up to 4 years ago maximum there was a video done of this. I could be wrong, but I know for a fact there is one. It's at least a year, and I do believe Tammy and Kevin Dunn have done this product as well. Shout outs to them. Go check out their channel, y'all. They are right on top of this whole snack cake, snacks, everything up this alley of stuff. Plus Kevin does lunch and other stuff. He's got a channel as well. Good people, y'all, and we're subscribed to their channel. and I definitely recommend people to go check them out because their videos are very professional and on point, and they give a really good, what I feel is a pretty unbiased viewpoint. You know, they got a lot more to this than I do, but you know, that's how we all get there. It's just by practice makes perfect. Just better yourself each time you do a video, and hope for the best, and interact with your audience. Pin their comments, which we now do, and I'm trying to pin more people's comments to our videos. I can only do one per video, so if I don't get you on one video, be sure I'll get you down the line. I don't play favorites. I like all y'all the same, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all the same. And everybody stay safe out there in heat wave. I'm gonna kind of stay on top of that here, wishing everybody the best until this kind of breaks and we can all get some relief and some much needed precipitation to our lands. So there you have it. That's my review of the Hostess chocolate cake Twinkies. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to drop a comment down below. I will pin a comment from each video to the best of my ability, and I typically reply to all comments within 24 to 36 hours or 48 hours or whatever the hours are after. I think it's 72, usually within about 3 days maximum. Sometimes I might miss one a lot more, but I'm working 2 jobs now, so it's going to be a little bit hard for me to kind of stay up with everybody's stuff, but I will do my best. And until next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, and God bless, and we'll see y'all very soon in the next video. Peace.